Here's how to attach the adhesive discs. Number 1. Locate one pair of the adhesive discs and carefully remove just the top layer of paper from one of them. It helps if you press down on the white tab with your thumb while removing the paper. Next, center the exposed adhesive over one of the belly buds and press together firmly. Then slowly peel the belly bud away from the transparent sheet and place firmly on your belly. Repeat for the other adhesive disc. Do not discard the transparent sheet because you will use that to place the belly buds back on in between uses. And when it's time for new adhesive, simply grab the pull tab to peel the used adhesive from the belly bud and discard.